Dear students, hope you are great. Today we are going to continue lesson 2, the skeletal and muscular systems. Bone connections. How are bones connected? The bone are connected by a joint. So the bones are connected together by a joint. Look here, this is called a joint. Where the bone are connected together. So the joint is a place where two or more bones connected. We have two types of joints: fixed joints and movable joints. Fixed joints are found in the skull. Look here, this is called fixed joint. Why it's called fixed? Because it allows no movement between the bones. There is no movement in the joint of the skull. This is called fixed joints that allow no movement between bones. While movable joints, like joint in the knee, or joint of elbow, or joint in hand, these joints that allow movement of bones. So we have two types of joints: fixed joints that are found in the skull, and movable joints that are found in the knee or hand or elbow, that allow movement of the bones. We have different types of movable joints. First type, called ball and socket joints, that allow one of the bones to rotate in a large circle, like joint found in shoulder and hips. Look here, this joint in a shoulder called ball and socket joint, that allow this bone to rotate in a large circle. Look here, this bone rotates in a large circle. So ball and socket joint allow one of bones to rotate in a large circle, like in shoulder and hips. Look, this one, it's called ball and socket joint. Okay, this type of joint called ball and socket joint. It's like a ball. Look, it's like a ball. And this called socket. So it's called ball and socket, that allow movement of one bones to rotate in a large circle, like shoulder and hips. This is like a ball, and this called socket. This like ball. Second type of movable joint, gliding joints. Gliding joint allow flexibility in many directions. So gliding joints allow movement in many directions, like wrist and ankle. This ankle, look, can move in many directions. This joint called gliding joints. Look, joint here, joint here, allow movement in many directions. It's very flexible. This type called gliding joint, that found in rest of your hand. Look, rest. This joint called gliding joint, that allow bones to move in many directions, like in ankle, like in rest and in ankle.